Hello my diamond art peeps, this is Diamond Painting with Jack and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, 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 and if you are returning, as always, thank you for your continuing support. I know it has been a minute since I have been on here. I had company from out of town last weekend, so I wasn't able to do my video, so I am doing it today. It is Saturday, it's June 10th, I think, here in Norman, Oklahoma, and I am doing a completion video. I have two canvases that I finished last month that I want to show you guys, but before I do that, I want to check in to see how everybody's doing. How is your Saturday? Woke up to loud thunderstorms, rained really hard till I woke up about 6:45, I guess, and then it rained till about 8 o'clock. Sun has been out and the weather has been beautiful. So before I show you the completions, I want to show a couple of items. One is that I won a from one of the Sam's, who is from Blunts Gym. If you have not checked her out, please do. One of her events, I think it's for mental health matters. One of her drawings, I won 2 cover minders from Bliss Studios. So if you have not checked out Bliss, please do. She has an Etsy shop. Let's see if I get that closer. Yeah. Okay. So please check her out. And she also has a YouTube channel called Bliss Studio Hobbies. She is on Instagram and yeah, just Instagram, and then she has her shop on Etsy. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time saying that. All right, so here's one of the cover minders. This is so cute. It's from the Uno card. Nice thick magnets. That's really good. I think this one is like really cute. I think it's like my favorite one. And then here is the second one. And this says more than enough. Oh, cute. So pretty. So pretty. And again, so that is what I won. And I have been dying to use these. I wanted to show them first, and so now I am pulling these bad boys out so that I can actually use them. And then I was talking to one of, I believe she's a Patreon on Sam's channel as well, about how that I have never bought one of the more fancier diamond pins, and so she said that she would send me one. Well, she not only sent me one, she sent me 3. This is the one that she had originally showed me, and I was like, I love that. She showed me like a couple, and she said, which one did you like? And I said, oh, I like this one because of the rainbow colors. Well, then she sent the other 2, so I am so happy. Thank you so much, Miss Molly. And here, and they had multi-placers, single tips and multi-placers. Look at this one. Oh, it's so pretty. And look at those, the flowers. And then, oh, it's beautiful. And then the last one. Oh, this. So I guess you could say this is print mail. So I got 3 fancy pens. I'm ecstatic, ecstatic, ecstatic. Okay, so like I said, I have 2 completions from May. And the first one I'm going to show you is, and these are both Diamond Art Clubs, is my Bugs Bunny. He turned out really, really great. Look at that. So pretty. So Bugs is a 13 by 15, which is a 32.8 centimeter by 37.8 centimeter. And those are round with 11 colors. And the AB was just in the carrot. So this is really pretty orange AB. And I wonder if Mandy Manzano did this because of the outlines and stuff. I don't know. It just kind of reminded me of that when I was doing it, but probably not. Because I don't think that it has an artist. It just says Warner Brothers Entertainment. Looney Tunes and all related characters and elements of Warner Brothers Entertainment. So I don't know. But it turned out really great. Really, really great. I started this May 24th and I finished it May 30th. And it looks just as good on the camera in real life as on the camera. So it's really, I love it. I love it, I love it. One of my friends at Nat and I did this at the same time, and she diamond paints like a champ. I mean, she can get canvases done so fast, so I was like trying my best to get it finished. So it's great. So like I said, it was 11 colors with 1 AB. And the details is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lot of color blocking. Basically, it was all color blocking. Just a little bit in the carrot, but for the most part, it was just all color blocking. So I'm really pleased with it. I am really, really pleased with it. Okay, so that was my first completion for May, or that I got finished. And so then my, and actually Bugs is my 12th finish for the year. All right, and so Susie from Susie's Crafts did an event May called Mandy's Mind Blowing May, and I participated in that, and I did a it's called New Friends by Mandy Manzano. It is a 56 by 56, and let me see. I started that May 2nd and finished it. I didn't get it finished at the end of May. I actually finished it June 1st. All right, so I'll show you this. And she was so much fun to work on. I hope you can see that. I think I'm getting like a little glare. I tried to close all of my curtains, and then all of a sudden all the sun just kind of showed up. But look at the shine on this canvas. There are ABs everywhere in the fish, all in the shell, all in her tail here. I mean, I don't think that you would need to add anything to bling this out because there's ABs everywhere. But she turned out so beautiful. So this is a square canvas, 46 colors, 4 ABs. I'm sorry, guys. Let me get over here. Because when I step back, all I see is sun. But it just turned out so beautiful. Look at that shine. I mean, there, like I said, ABs everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. I really enjoyed working on this one. And I think I probably would have gotten her finished by the end of May, but then I was trying to do bugs. So I'm kind of moving you so that I'm trying to shed the sun that has decided to come through. Very little gapping. I had plenty of drills. Everything fit really snug. So I noticed, and it's probably just me and the way that I am placing, but when I place with multi-placers, the drills kind of went over to the next line, but I didn't have really any some popping, but nothing really bad. But if I placed single, then I was able to get them lined up really easily. So I think it's probably just me. I am not a square person. I love squares on how they turn out because I think that the rendering is so much better. But if I am actually doing a painting, I much prefer having rounds. They just seem to work out better for me. But I think it's just a matter of continuing to work with squares until I get it better. And the only way you're going to do that is by continuing doing them. But if I have a choice, I am going to always pick rounds. And that also depends on what kind of picture it is, and if it's something that I really want, the detail, then I will reluctantly pick squares, but I will, like I said, rounds will always be my first choice. But there's, like I said, ABs everywhere. So it really turned out great. Just want you to see again. Look at that. I love her face. And look at the fish. And all in her shells that's covering her is ABs. So it turned out really great. So I'm just kind of giving you, I can't see, so I'm hoping that you're seeing something. All right, well, that's really it. Just a really quick video to show those completions, show my friend mail, and to show my new cover minders. So if you enjoyed this video, If you will please hit that like button, I would truly appreciate it. If you would like to become a part of my Struggle Bus family, I would love to have you. If you hit that subscription button, hit that bell to be notified each and every time that I put out a new video. And I hope that you guys are having a wonderful weekend. And I will see you in my next video. So remember to be kind to one another, keep cool, and keep diamond painting. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.